Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. I have a client who has requested that her Instagram posts don't automatically go to Facebook. She could not figure out how to make it stop. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn that feature off in Instagram so that her Instagram posts do not automatically go to Facebook. So let's get started. I am on an Android phone. However, if you are on an iPhone, you can follow along in this video. Just know that some of your settings will be in different places. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and click on the Instagram icon. Once you're on your Instagram page, go ahead and click on the hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner, which is also the three lines. Click on Settings, scroll down and click on Meta Account Settings, where it says you can control settings for connected experiences across Instagram, the Facebook app, and Messenger, including story and post sharing and login. This will bring you to the Meta Account Center. Under the Meta Accounts Center, you will see an option under where it says Accounts and Profiles. You will see Manage Connected Experiences. Click on Sharing Across Profiles. This will bring you to a Sharing Across Profiles page. Under Share From, click on the account that you're having the issue with. In this case, I'm going to click on her Instagram account. This will bring you to a page that tells you where you're sharing from and where you're sharing to. Then you will see a section that says automatically share. Under the automatically share section, you will see where it says always share your Instagram story or post to Facebook. You can change this each time you create a story or post. So what that is telling you is that because she has these buttons turned on, every time she shares a post on Instagram, it will automatically share to Facebook. And you will also see she has her stories turned on, which means that anytime she shares a story, it automatically goes to her Facebook page. And when the message says you can change this each time you create a story or a post, what that means is you can turn these options off. But when you're actually on Instagram, you will be given the option to share to Facebook as a post or share to Facebook as a story. And anytime you create a story, it will give you the option to share to Facebook stories as well. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and turn off the button where it says your Instagram story, because we no longer want her Instagram stories going to Facebook. And then I'm also going to turn off the button that says your Instagram post, because we no longer want her Instagram post to go to Facebook. When you're finished, you can either click on the back arrow, which is what I'm going to do. Then go ahead and click on the Instagram option just to make sure the buttons are still toggled off. And you see they are still off, so it did save. To get back to the Instagram profile, just go ahead and click on the back arrow on your phone. Then click on your profile photo in the bottom right-hand corner. That will bring you back to your profile. Once you're back on your profile, go ahead and test it by creating a post. So click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Post. Select a post from your gallery. Click the right arrow. If you want to select a filter, go ahead, select your filter. Click the right arrow again. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste in my caption and click on the check mark in the upper right-hand corner. And you'll see you'll get a box that says always share your Instagram post to Facebook. Your Instagram post will be automatically shared to your Facebook newsfeed. You can change this anytime by going to Account Center and Settings. What I'm going to say is either always share to Facebook or not now. And because we just turned that feature off, we don't want to turn it back on. So we're going to go ahead and select not now. Now your post should be on Instagram, but it should not be on Facebook. But what I would do if I were you, go ahead and check to make sure that what we just did worked. And that's it. Now you should be able to post on Instagram without having all of your posts go directly to Facebook. Once again, this is Ramona from Social Media How To's with Ramona. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.